Let me show you today the best strategy to promote your affiliate products on Pinterest. And first, let me show an amazing account on Pinterest.com that is woodworking projects, woodworking tips. And apparently, this account inserted some keywords in his profile name, like woodworking projects, and woodworking tips. And of course, it's a wonderful thing for the SEO on Pinterest.com. And this account gets a lot of views. As you observe, there are about 3 million views per month. And the best part here in this account, this person uploads new videos every single day, as you see. So the default question here, how this account makes a lot of money using Pinterest. This person uses all these videos as promotional tool to get a lot of traffic to his profile or his bios, where people can find this link in bio to direct them to some affiliate products this person is promoting. So if we click over this link in bio, you would be taken to this landing page that contains a wonderful affiliate product, as you see. So now let me get straight to this point. If we go back to our Pinterest account here, many people are watching these videos, and for sure some of them are curious to go to the profile of this account to figure out if there is a workshop or a course or something. So for a great fraction of this huge traffic, go directly to this profile or this bio, where they can find this landing page that contains a lot of affiliate products. And for sure, not only that, this person uses these videos, attach all these videos with a lot of landing pages, as you observe. So if we click over one of these beautiful videos that explain a lot of woodworking and how to craft chairs or beautiful works or something. So if you click over this one, for example, here you can find this destination link that takes people to this affiliate product, as you observe, sites.google.com. And of course, you can find down below in the description box in the first comment the best list that contains a lot of landing page builders for free, including Google Sites. So this person uses two ways to get a lot of sales from affiliate marketing. This link in bio strategy, so he uses all this traffic to this profile. And of course, there are many links attached to these videos, as you saw earlier. And of course, the more traffic to his link in bio, the more chances to get sales from affiliate marketing and to promote these affiliate products. And of course, there are many examples regarding the woodworking that do the same strategy to make money online from affiliate marketing. Like this one, for example, woodworking projects, woodworking for beginners, as you see. He gets a lot of views, as you observe, and he uses this beacon.ai as a link in bio that contains some affiliate product. And also you can find down below in the description box in the first comment the best list that contains best link in bio builders for free, including beacons.ai, as you see. And this account also uses all these videos as promotional tool to get a lot of traffic to his link in bio. And of course, with an amazing call to action, click the link to learn how to successfully start and run your own profitable woodworking business, as you see. Likewise, this one, for example, woodworking projects with huge amount of followers and get a lot of views, as you observe. So now how we can do the same strategy and the same model to promote our affiliate products in any niche you want. Don't limit yourself in the woodworking niche, so you can work in any niche you like fitness, making money online, planting and gardening, and etc. So the first step, just you can create here a business account on Pinterest and pick up some affiliate products regarding your niche and your topic, like for woodworking, like for weight loss, and so on, using any landing page builder. So you've got to check out all these links down below in the description box and the first comment. Therefore, it comes to the part how we can get all these videos to use as promotional material or promotional tool. The best part to get all these interesting and viral videos about many topics, about many ideas, that is TikTok. Yes, TikTok.com. Of course, here you can find millions of videos about any topic as you want in any niche. So for example, if we take woodworking as an example, you can find thousands of videos for many accounts, as you observe. So you can use all these videos as promotional material to get a lot of traffic to your link in bio on Pinterest.com. However, be mindful of give the credit to the owner of these videos in order not to violate any copyright. Okay, so we go together to TikTok, and here you can find a lot of accounts as I said before. And now I'm going to show you an amazing tool that would make it easier to get a lot of videos just with one click. That is talkdownload.com. Talkdownload.com. It's a wonderful website. It enables you to download many videos from TikTok just with one click for free. High quality bulk download videos and cover image as well. So all you have to do is you can insert here a lot of URLs from these TikTok videos as you want with no limit, even there are 1,000 videos. So for example, go back to TikTok. So we can select random accounts like this one, for example. Okay, click over it. Okay, so now we can get a lot of videos from this account, and you can use them later as promotional tool as I said before. So for example, we can get this video, so we can click over this one and copy link address and go back to our tool today, talk download, and insert here and get a new line and go back to TikTok and get another video like this one. Okay, copy link address, and you can do the same process over and over again to get many videos as you want from this account or from different accounts regarding the same niche or the same topic. And now we can click over this button, download, and here you can find two columns or two options. You can download the cover images, or you can download this video as a zip file or a compressed file. It contains many videos as you want. So you can click over this one, download all videos. As you see, open up TikToks, and then you can find two videos that you have downloaded from TikTok with high quality with no watermark at all. So then you can upload all these videos regularly on a daily basis on Pinterest account, and just to wait a while to get a lot of traffic to your videos, and therefore get a lot of traffic to your link in bio that contains your link that directs people to some affiliate products that are promoting in any niche in any topic. And of course, it's a profitable strategy. Many people are running to use affiliate marketing on Pinterest.com, and for sure don't forget that you've got to mention all these persons in your Pinterest description to be safe from infringing any copyright. Okay, perfect. And of course, you can find down below in the description box the best tools to level up your Pinterest marketing business. Now, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.